Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for you. As you know, the upcoming season. Crocheting hats offer numerous benefits beyond just creating a cozy accessory. Here are some advantages we would like to discuss with you. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. Creativity. Enhance artistic expressions through design and color choices. Relaxation. Acts as a calming activity, reducing stress and anxiety. Focus. Improves concentrations and mindfulness while working on a project. Fine motor skills. Strengthens hand-eye coordination and dexterity. Social connection. Provides opportunity to connect with fellow crafters in communities or online. Gift making. Makes thoughtful handmade gift for friends and family. Customization allows for personalized design that suit individual taste. Learning offers a chance to learn new stitches and techniques. Satisfaction delivers a sense of accomplishment when completing a project. Cost effective can be a budget friendly hobby, especially with leftover yarn. Warmth creates functional warm accessories for cold weather. Fashion statement adds a unique touch to outfit showcasing personal style. Therapeutic can be form of occupational therapy promoting mental health. Eco-friendly enables the use of sustainable materials, reducing waste. Portable easy to make, so on the go, perfect for travel or community. Community sports. Many group sports charitable causes through hat donations. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Skill development develops patience through challenges. Tradition connect with cultural or family traditions in crafting. Open avenues for selling handmade items. In this way, you can help the persons who cannot earn more money. Seasonal fun offers seasonal crafting opportunity for holidays or events. Color theory enhances understanding of color combination and design principles. Textural exploration allows experimentation with different yarn types and textures. Handmade economy supports the movement towards handmade and artisanal goods. Physical benefit can improve wrist and finger strength when done in moderation. With a happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. Thank you for watching.